Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this beautiful farmhouse pantry. My husband got this put together for me. It took him about an hour, I would say, at a pretty fast pace, and I think it is beautiful. It fits my home perfectly. I love the black accent details on this that really give it a little bit more of that rustic farmhouse touch. And then you've got the matching black knobs on both the upper and lower cabinets, as well as the center drawer. This is a really great size. I have this right off of my dining room, and it allows me to store things that I don't reach for very often, or just extra items that I have on hand for when I need to refill or for special occasions. So let me show you what the inside looks like. So in the top, you have two shelves. Now the middle one is adjustable. So there's three different options for placement for this one. If you need a taller space or a shorter space, you can do that. I've got everything from dry goods and canned goods to coffee and tea supplies. And then this middle drawer is absolutely perfect for utensils, especially larger utensils. I personally use mine for our grilling tools because this is right next to my back porch where we've got our grill, so this is going to be a quick and easy way to grab those items. And then on the bottom here, I was able to store some of my larger cooking items, things that I don't really use too frequently, but I still want accessible to me. So I find this to be a great use for this pantry. Now this shelf is fixed, just like the top shelf in the top cabinet, and it just has a magnetic closure for the doors. Plus, you have some extra storage space right on top. There is a little ledge up here, so if you do want to decorate that area, you could easily do that, and things aren't going to be open to falling off. So I absolutely love having this as a place that I can decorate with, whether it's seasonal or year-round items. I love having pictures and greenery up here, and it just gives me extra space to decorate my home. So everything from the materials and the look of this is absolutely wonderful. I love the extra storage that this provides me and how great it looks in my home. So if you guys were looking for a pantry or just somewhere that you can tuck away and store some extra items, this is a really awesome choice. I would definitely give this a try.